Professor Perlemuter, what is the link between microbiome and liver diseases?
There are strong links between the microbiome and the liver diseases. The microbiome interacts with the liver, firstly via the portal vein. There is an interconnection between the gut and the liver, and some bacteria products, such as for instance LPS, may go from the digestive tract to the liver, triggering liver inflammation. But there are also other connections, such as modifications of the metabolites produced by the microbiome, or even an interconnection between metabolites produced both by the liver and the microbiome. For instance, the liver produces bile acids. The bile acids enter into the gut. They are modified by the microbiome, and then they will again enter into the blood circulation. This is the enterohepatic cycle of the bile acids, and the microbiome may interact with the liver through modifications of this cycle of bile acids. So you see there are many ways for the microbiome to interact with the liver, the bacteria themselves, but also the metabolites produced by the bacteria or by the host, by us.
And what about steatosis and fibrosis?
So steatosis steatosis is associated with dysbiosis in alcoholic patients, or in liver disease due to overweight or obesity, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. There is not only a correlation between a specific dysbiosis and liver lesions, but also causality. Not only steatosis, but also inflammation. For instance, when you take bacteria from a mice that has steatosis and insulin resistance, and you transfer these bacteria into mice that do not have steatosis or insulin resistance, and you took another donor that has a specific microbiome without steatosis and without insulin resistance, you transfer the phenotype of steatosis and insulin resistance through the graft of the microbiome. Moreover, this is for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. For alcoholic liver disease, you can transfer from patient to mice the individual sensitivity to alcohol toxicity. For instance, in other words, you have some people that drink alcohol, a large amount of alcohol, but that remain perfectly healthy. And you have other patients without a higher amount of alcohol intake, but that will have severe liver injury. And you can transfer with the microbiome the sensitivity to alcohol from patients to mice, showing that your microbiome plays a role in your susceptibility to develop alcohol-induced liver injury.